I'm here with the Toja Grid Roman shade panel, and I just want to give you guys a few tips just to look at before you start your build. Both of these kind of just have to do with identifying what the shade is and what direction it should be in. So when you get your Roman panel kit and open it up, there's going to be however many panels you ordered. If you have 10 by 10, you're going to have 10 panels. And 2 of these panels are going to have a label on one end. This is the easiest way to identify that these are the end panels. These are going to go on either end of your build. These panels also have a magnet. This magnet is to stick to the top of the trio bracket and keep it in place over time. The other tip that we want to give you is that each end of the panel are going to be different lengths. You have a longer length end. This is going to be 18 inches. And a shorter length end, this is going to be 15 inches. The reason for that is that the longer length end will allow for a little bit more slack in between your rafters, and that is where the water is going to run off. So it's important before you start your build to lay out all of your panels in the same direction so that the water is always running off to the same side. I hope these tips were helpful for you guys, and good luck building.